Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can manage your notifications on Telegram. You can turn them on, you can turn them off, and you can do a lot of stuff with your notifications. Alright, first we go to settings and from here tap on notifications and sounds. Alright, we can decide if we want to turn on or turn off the 5 settings that Telegram will show us here. So private chats, I can turn that off by tapping on show notifications, and I can turn that on if I want to turn or still hold it on. Now if you scroll down to in-app notifications, you can select if you want the in-app sound. So now he will be quiet when I receive something, and now he will make a sound. That's also for the vibrate and for the preview. I can also turn off names on lock screen, so when I lock my phone, you can see who sent me a message by tapping on that selection. The badge counter is not necessary for us, so I will go further to new contacts, because when someone is on Telegram, you will receive a notification about that contact, and that is only available when you give Telegram access to your contacts. Alright, these are the notifications settings, or alright, this is how you can manage your notifications and sounds on Telegram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.